Imagine a kitchen where cooking is effortless, healthy, and downright fun. This Kalorik Air Fryer Vivid Touch series 5-quart capacity delivers exactly that, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design to transform your meal prep. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious foodie, or a culinary novice, this air fryer promises to elevate your cooking game. In this 6,000-character review, we'll dive into why this air fryer is a must-have, exploring its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's worth every penny. Let's unpack this kitchen superstar and see why it's trending across platforms like Facebook with hashtags like #KitchenGoals and #HealthyCooking. Why choose the Kalorik Vivid Touch air fryer? Air fryers have become kitchen staples, but the Kalorik Vivid Touch 5-quart air fryer stands out in a crowded market. Its high-resolution touchscreen, 202 cooking presets, and 5-quart capacity make it a versatile powerhouse. Designed for precision, it tackles everything from crispy fries to succulent salmon with ease. Plus, its stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to any countertop. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Solving common cooking. Pain points. Cooking can be a hassle. Greasy pans, inconsistent results, and endless cleanup. The Kalorik Vivid Touch addresses these issues head-on. No more guesswork. With 202 presets across 12 food categories, you can select your dish, adjust for weight or cut, and let the fryer do the rest. Healthier meals. Cook with up to 95% less oil, achieving crispy textures without the guilt. Time saving. Fast. Even cooking at up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit means meals are ready in minutes. Easy cleanup. The dishwasher-safe basket and crisping tray make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Key features that set it apart. The Kalorik Vivid Touch isn't just another air fryer, it's a culinary revolution. Here's what makes it shine. High-resolution touchscreen. The vibrant, intuitive display offers 202 presets, from fries to vegan dishes, ensuring perfect results every time. It's like having a chef at your fingertips. Customizable cooking. Adjust settings based on food type, cut, weight, or whether it's fresh or frozen. You can even save your own recipes for one-tap cooking. 5-quart capacity. Perfect for families, it handles 1.5 pounds of fries, 6 servings of wings, or 3 salmon fillets, making it ideal for both small gatherings and big feasts. Multilingual support. Choose from English, Spanish, French, or Mandarin, and toggle between degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius for a personalized experience. Shake reminder and ready alert. These smart features ensure even cooking and notify you when your meal is done so you never overcook. Viewing window and inner light. Monitor your food without opening the basket, preserving heat and ensuring perfect doneness. Sleek stainless steel design. Not only functional, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I put the Kalorik Vivid Touch through its paces, testing everything from frozen wings to homemade veggie chips. The results? Impressive. The 1500-watt power delivers rapid, even cooking, with wings emerging golden and crispy in just 12 minutes. The touchscreen is a standout. Navigating the 12 food categories feels like using a smartphone, and the presets are spot on. For instance, the salmon preset adjusted perfectly for a 3-piece fillet, yielding flaky, moist fish with a crisp exterior. Who's it for? The Kalorik Vivid Touch is perfect for busy families. The 5-quart capacity and quick cooking times make weeknight dinners a snap. Health-conscious cooks? Enjoy fried favorites with minimal oil, perfect for low-calorie diets. Tech enthusiasts? The high-res touchscreen and multilingual support appeal to gadget lovers. Why it's a smart investment? The Kalorik Vivid Touch offers premium features at a mid-range price. Compared to competitors like the Ninja Foodi or Philips Air Fryer, it holds its own with a larger preset library and a more intuitive interface. The dishwasher-safe components and durable stainless steel build ensure longevity, while the viewing window adds convenience not always found in budget models. Plus, its versatility, handling everything from baking to dehydrating, makes it a multi-tool for your kitchen. Final verdict: is it worth it? The Kalorik Vivid Touch 5-quart air fryer is a triumph of innovation and practicality. Its high-resolution touchscreen, vast preset library, and health-focused cooking make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or hosting a dinner party, this air fryer delivers consistent, delicious results. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.